Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, today we are going to see how to save a Google Pictures or photos to your PC. Please, like this video, share, and subscribe for more cool tutorials. Let's get started by opening your browser. Search in the search bar. After finding your photo that you want to download, right-click on it. Thank you for watching. Please, like this video, share, and subscribe for more cool tutorials. Also drop a comment to let me know if it worked for you.
Thank you.